bir selam.
Bingöl'den Hamas'a direnişe bir selam. Bingöl'den Hamas'a direnişe bir selam. Bingöl'den Hamas'a direnişe bir selam.
Bingöl'den Hamas'a direnişe bir selam.
Bingöl'den Hamas'a direnişe.
Allah, peace be to our Prophet Muhammad and his family, and to all the believers who raised the war on earth. Peace be to all those who are guided. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. وأعدوا لهم ما استطعتم من قوة ومن رباط الخيل ترهبون به عدو الله وعدوكم وآخرين من دونهم لا تعلمونهم الله يعلمهم وما تنفقوا من شيء في سبيل الله يوفى إليكم وأنتم لا تظلمون. صدق الله العظيم. Dear Bengal University students, the Zionist terror organization has been trying to occupy Palestine for a century. It has been cruelly attacking the people of Gaza for about 7 months. Our colleges at the most respected university in many parts of the Western world, including American friends, rose up to support the fire of rebellion and chose to be part of the global intifada. Many academics and students have supported this case. From here, we greet this honorable academics and students. Dear academics and students of Bengal University, raise up and build the rights of this chain of humanity. Participate in this human revolution. Let your heart strike for this trial. Let your tongue speak this case. And let your pencil write this case. At a time when humanity is divided, join the ranks of saints, and free people, and carry the glory of the global intifada as a medal. May this honor be passed on to the generation after you. Let your children and grandchildren say to you, they were great men. Greetings to the global intifada and to the brave hearts and free spirits who embrace this intifada. Finally, if there are Jewish hands touching the nation and mankind, then there are the brave ones who oppose them. Our request from our Allah is that this step taken by our martyr will destroy the throne of oppression and end the spectatorship of the Islamic world. We will do whatever we can to ensure that Gaza is not forgotten. Is this certainly not our morality to remain silent to this while a dagger is stuck in the bosom of humanity and Islam?